Today on Trail Preview Thursdays, I'm going to be previewing Romans Road Trail in Oak Mountain State Park, Alabama. If you're thinking this is just another flow trail, not so fast. This trail sneaks in flowy tech to keep you on your toes. Romans Road Trail is one of those trails that is a sweet spot of trails. It's fast, it's fun, it's got enough chunk and features to keep you paying attention. It's a great trail as long as you don't get too passive. If you like this type of video, make sure you subscribe and hit the like button while you're down there, so then you can get more videos like these. To get to the start of Romans Road Trail, you do have to go up Boulder Ridge, which is a double black diamond. But the first part of the Boulder Ridge Trail is definitely not double black diamond, and is only probably a blue-black. If you're unsure about this part of Boulder Ridge, you can definitely just walk it. It is probably only a quarter mile to the start of Romans Road Trail, but I found it pretty easy to ride everything, and like I said, it's probably only a blue-black. Once you get to the top of the trail, it is 3 miles down of 700 feet of descent with only 100 feet of climbing in there. So it's a really fun and fast trail. It starts out with a little bit of rock, just like Boulder Ridge, but then you're gonna start noticing the speed. This trail definitely likes being ridden fast, and when you carry your momentum, it'll definitely ride better. There are long straightaways with like drops and sometimes jumps that you can hit, and you definitely want to lay off the brakes, that way you can hit all of them nice. Just don't get too comfortable while you're going along those straight sections, because there are tight sections that come up by surprise, and then rocks, roots, and mixed in underneath the leaves sometimes. So make sure you are looking ahead as you ride this trail, because the faster you go, the farther you need to look ahead, just like all trails. When you get to the lower section of the trail, it changes to dirt instead of rocks, so they built jumps and berms on that section. It is a really fun section. I would definitely say this is probably a single black diamond trail, because there are a couple gap jumps, but there are ride-arounds if you don't want to hit the gap jumps. I definitely accidentally hit the gap jumps, the two that were on the trail that I saw. I did not think that they were gap jumps, but I did make it to the other side safely, so that was nice. If you have the skills for this trail, it's definitely a lot of fun. It brought the best riding out of me, which was a lot of fun. If you're a blue-black rider, I'm sure you could probably go down this trail as well. Just make sure you look before you leap and scout things out if you're not sure about where the line is, and just go down carefully. And that's probably enough talking, so let's let the trail talk for itself. Let's drop in. If you like this type of video, go ahead and hit subscribe and comment below while you're down there what your favorite part of Romans Road was. If you want to see more trail previews like this, go ahead and check out this playlist right here.